Hey guys, this is Sohail Ahmed here, and today we are going to make small ice cream shop or ice cream parlor. So let's start with the default cube and extrude it as much as you want. And then I'm going to add the array modifier on small cubes to make the side stones to make it more beautiful, and we will color it as white in the color section. Duplicate them and put them on all the sides of the shop. And now let's add the small cylinder, extrude it vertically. Now place it as much as you want to make the windows and the doors. Extrude them a little bit, and there you go. And then I'm going to saving my video. I forgot to save my blend file. Now I'm going to make a small shelter to prevent my ice cream from all the sunbeams. They'll melt my ice cream. Now extrude and all those things. Make a small cylinder and give it a ice cream shape and to place it over my shop, and that will look like that is a real ice cream shop, but it's a tunish one. So now I have placed my two ice creams on the top, and now I'm making some small plants to make it more toonish and to make it more cutie pie. But there are some spooky animals over there, so stay away from them. Yes, and now I have some duplication of the plants, and then I have again took a small cube to make the platform. Just play with it as according to your wish and desire. Now I'm going to give some small details on the door and the windows. Yes, by extruding the little cube over here and there. Yes, something like this. And do you like these 3D stuff? If you like, then you can support me, and yes, it would be a humble request, and God bless you more. And okay, so now I'm going to make my small pole, and that will give us light in the night time, and it will also prevent us from the creepy dogs and wolves. And let's arrange it in a cute little manner. And now I'm going to add my background. And yeah, my kitten is also she's hungry, and after recording this I'll give her some small pieces of food and milk and all those things. Now I'm coloring my stuff, and it's looking so pretty. If you like this, you can consider subscribe, and yeah, you can also donate me or whatever you want to do. Yeah, that's all. And now let's colorize the shelter, the doors, the pole, and everything. And I'm going to texturizing it from my default file. I have made it in my Photoshop, and now I'm going to put my camera, lights, and I'll give a small area light or spotlight to make some more colorize the lights, something like light orange color. Now I'm going to texturizing my ice creams, and yeah, and I'll texturize one ice cream, and then I'll just link material data for the other one to make it to make similar to the previous one. Yeah, texturizing my bottom layer, the station layer. Yeah, I took my small render to make it to feel the realistic effect. But yeah, now you can play it as much as you can. And there are some spooky creatures over the night, and yeah, and almostly I have done my stuff. And you can like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching it. God bless you more.